The Walt Disney Company is suing Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, alleging he has overseen a, quote, targeted campaign of government retaliation that threatens its operations. The lawsuit comes after a year-long battle between DeSantis and the entertainment company, sparked when Disney publicly opposed his parental rights and education bill, which prohibits instruction on sexual orientation and gender identities in schools.
Giving companies their own governments, that is not what a free market is all about, last I checked. In fact, they've been treated much different than Universal, SeaWorld, and all these other places. And so they're upset because they're actually having to live by the same rules as everybody else. They don't want to have to pay the same taxes as everybody else, and they want to be able to control things without proper oversight, which every other Floridian has to have this type of oversight. All Florida businesses. So it's a little bit much to be complaining about that. I don't think the suit has merit. I think it's political. I think they filed, in Tallahassee for a reason, because they're trying to generate, some district court decision. But we're very confident on the law. And the days of putting one company on a pedestal with no accountability are over in the state of Florida. And I will say a lot of Floridians were upset, particularly parents, that they really went so headstrong into trying to get the sexualization of the curriculum into the elementary schools. We don't think that that's appropriate in Florida, and that spans partisan, it spans everything. Parents, they want kids to be kids, and they want to focus on the basics of academics.
Yes, it's very unusual to file a lawsuit, and especially on grounds related to free speech, with Governor DeSantis engaging in a very heavy-handed form of regulation of a company, which really is in the Republican conservative world, that's a hypocritical act. That party and that ideology is for the free market. And with regard to any objection he has to Disney's behavior, that should be a market decision regarding people who decide whether to attend Disney or not. It goes to court, and it really has to do with the legalities in terms of the powers of the governor to do the kinds of things he's doing. And the case could probably go either way. The governor may be on firm legal ground in terms of what he can do.